In country, people then when 10 o'clock it don't reach, any person get for fine you chase, she don't, because we get for prayer for peace for inside country. And we get for prayer for we lions then where they did for side for Cote d'Ivoire, and for semi they bring the African Nation Cup where they play for that side, that cup it get for land for inside Cameroon. What in the news now chapter for fire again for inside Yaoundé capital for Cameroon. Now opposite General Hospital for inside Yaoundé, where some business man he don't lost the business kako for inside shop and for obliging. This one it happened for night. Camera a ton it reach for day for sharp morning time. When we finish with that one, we could enter to chapter for burning. Now this one will happen for site for Betoa, where Palawa land, it don't make them. They come night, come burn this man, where a baby na Kito man, where it don't go retirement, they fight for on top on land. They show say this so enemy, he don't work at night, come burn your motor, but even motor for a woman, he won't run, and then he cap, he fall for down. So now investigation, he don't be open for that side for Betoa. This one, who will bring ground and who could carry ground, go with them. Now, Christopher will ask them. We could jump now. We land for side for Ombe. Ombe, now for that side for Southwest. The only road where they come out for side for Lime can reach for side for Douala. Where Koshot, the road for side for Ombe. We the singer every day say this, so the bridge for Ombe. When motor pass on top, it is shake and it don't shake so last. A crack, and where we call government for Cameroon, me they try for make maintenance because we no one say this, so me collab with moto, me people them die, so that me Cameroon a day for cry die. So this bridge it don't collab. When they say me we try with for fix them. We could come on now. We enter now for chapter road where it don't work for social media. Now road for come over side for Kumba, pass from Maboji before you reach for Ekono Titi. If you don't work outside for social media, say they don't tell them. The camera for LTM, if you still go again for that side, you see say population for that side they over suffer on top this road, and with the back say this so 2023 be passed, and 2024 this population they need to me the third road so that me themselves me they get smile for their face. We come over that one, we enter another road now, road for come over Koseri for go reach for side for Marwa, we camion driver them they overcry, checkpoint them, and they cry to as the road it don't war, they back to say this so me government a put eye on top the road, fix them as they don't fix the other one them for inside country. We could go back for side for Njumba market for side for Widicombe. They say this so it don't pass them. Sideway fire it come out because fire is surprise them. He want surprise them, he surprise them now for market day, and then a board this side, and then too they say this so now themselves they don't build the market and they pay ticket for council, pay a product for council, and wait all the money it go from government back. Me government try way for come out the money now, try for bid in the market so that it no go bump again. We could talk Palava Road for Comovo Santagori for my cousin, where it don't be na doors. 6 company where they don't talk for Cameroon say this, so they get for third road for inside 1 month. How manage 2023? It finish 2024. It don't enter where the road it don't talk now. Now doors ring road. We go enter for inside Baminda now for my 4, inside Baminda 3. Now this one where Okada people them they bring confusion for inside town. Time where they move some the combi where they be short time it die for side for my 4. Now where they come out time for mortuary. Now so they turn with them for inside town. Coffin for back Okada and then panic if they for side for Baminda. We go come up Baminda, we enter now for site from Mr. J subdivision under Donga Mantum, where picking them, the retire face, and then Mommy and Papa them, the retire face, say they so they pay school fees for picking, but picking in order to go learn book. Why picking not the learn book? Today in the enter we say they so teacher them, they're not there for this government bilingual high school for site for Mr. J. Say now only one government teacher a day, the rest. They do for site, they say they so. The rest they not come for school, but they take salary. And who they pay them? Now question where will they ask them? Another one, now hospital for site for Ndobian, it is inside Konjok. And Konjok it is for inside Nkam, it is for inside Littoral for Cameroon. So the hospital for site for Ndobian, it is for inside Bush for 2023, now 2024, and they say they so. All the doctor the way they will send them for can't work for this hospital, all them they don't can leave hospital, they go upon another private clinic for site for a place where they call it for Bafang, and they work for the when one end they go take salary where they show say they so they still work for inside hospital where they for inside Bush. Same story a talk severity, same story for sharp morning time, it tell we say, but where it overtalk, it not the ever be house. But where it the overtalk, it not the ever be house. We thank Mammy Mary, we send them for we for site for Susan, and Pa Jonathan is support them for site for Fiango, it is site for Kumba and Kumba na inside Meme too, it is na inside Southwest and Southwest, it is for Cameroon. Nang denge will come back before we internal see all thing where to remind them bring them. We salute all man now, same when I get for she don't quiet. For the year thing way to the man, it don't bring them. Because when I talk, you talk, we no could last understand where the way it be happen. We salute to those where they dey for side for Libya them, where they don't she don't now for before their television because Palava light it hamburg them for that side. Chapter 1 na Palava fire where it happen. Surprise businessman for inside Yaoundé. Opposite General Hospital for site for Ngoso. This one, they say they saw this man with the same molo. It they say again, small thing them for inside his shop. Since for Cameroon, we like for dream mimbo plenty. So fire is surprise this countryman time where we don't lock and then go sleep. All things inside there, it don't burn. I say all things, it don't burn. As I in the chop Christmas. They say they so the fire it happen now for 3 a.m. where they it can break. That way all man it talks to they so chapter for fire for inside country and where we get Sape Pompe outside for Cameroon. Why they know they come for time for help country people? Other people they say no, this matter they so now because they when fire want start the cash, they know they call them for time. Other people they say they so they call them, they no regret take telephone. Anyhow we dey. When something happen for Cameroon, man they talk it on. This side they talk their on. This side they talk their on. Gendarmerie national for side from go so it don't come out for opposite stadium. A waka a come for hip eye. See wait it don't happen. We talk Asha for the person we don't lose the capital. We dey happy because no person a nobody die for inside this matter. Another one, now the one way happen for site for Betua. I say for Betua. All man wake up now for 2 a.m. for sharp morning time. What to make them these people and wake up for sleep for their quarter? They say they so something don't holla. A holla boom. They check say sometime a bomb. Now big people them for inside the quarter that. Cap for down and cap na cap for Okada man where we cover his face. For enter this countryman where na ex-gendarme. He compound, born in motor, born the one for a woman. Now the motor this. When you don't put petrol for that motor, a light a fire. Before the gendarme man where we don't go retirement, and when they wake up, AJ na how man don't pass for backside, start Okada, he go. And the man will enter the room, he take it on gun. Say if na say some person don't attack he go attack. He want to look out for window, he see na how motor the burn. Well, he don't come burn him, he don't take Tokyo, he go. News in the intercede so now because say this countryman where na gendarme we don't go retirement, they be buy some land, he na quarter head them for inside better. Say they so quarter head, it just carry people that land, they sell them. When you can put fence for your land, they can broke them for 9 nights, say they plot for different person. So now they has that, when I don't see them, and now the motor and that with the don't burn. Then when we answer for the man, me we hear thing with the man they talk, now the man that.
Très tôt hier, alors parce que je devais prier de minuit jusqu'au matin. Alors à minuit, je me suis réveillé juste au moment où mon voisin, l'adjudant Manga, lui, il partait aussi à la prière, parce que moi j'ai prié sur place ici à la maison. Ma femme et moi, on s'est mis à prier. On s'est mis à prier. Alors autour de 2 h du matin, on a entendu une détonation terrible. Boum! En fait, c'était comme la maison a même tremblé. Et 1 seconde, boum! Mais j'ai dit comment? Moi, je croyais que c'était une attaque. Au fait, je voulais même m'emparer de mon fusil pour réagir, mais quand j'ouvre la fenêtre, je vois ma voiture entièrement en flammes. La portière côté passager était ouverte. Donc il semble que la personne a jeté juste, je ne sais pas, un explosif ou quoi. C'est ça qui a fait l'explosion des 2 véhicules. Quand vous voyez les pare-brises, c'est complètement, ça a volé en éclats. Et alors, je me suis mis seulement à éteindre le feu.
Voisine à environ 400 mètres à vol d'oiseau. J'ai suivi le bruit, vers 2 h, un grand bruit, donc c'était comme si c'était une explosion. J'ai même sauté du lit. Et il y a eu après une autre explosion, mais ce n'était pas plus que la première était vraiment très puissante. Et à l'heure là, je ne pouvais pas sortir parce que j'ai aussi eu peur, parce que nous sommes tellement inquiets. Ici, on a une certaine situation dans le quartier. Le chef du quartier avec un certain monsieur Ngangandi, le chef du quartier Doko et Ngangandi. Donc nous sommes, on est un peu menacés. On est menacés par rapport au problème des terrains parce qu'ils ont un système d'arracher les terrains, de monter les gens, puisqu'ils ont déjà détruit à plusieurs reprises les clôtures que nous faisons pour protéger nos terrains. Donc ils viennent, ils détruisent dans la nuit. Donc à cette heure-là, ils ne pouvaient pas me lever parce que moi-même, j'avais peur. Je voulais aussi protéger ma vie, sinon je serais venu regarder parce que j'ai entendu des coups vers le haut. Et ça pouvait nécessairement être ici chez Papa Stéphane. Et quelques temps après, il a appelé mon époux pour l'informer de la situation.
And they say, person who want to die, he go carry land, he go with them. Chapter for land for site for Betoa. If you get your money, they go take my land, sell them for you, and we not be normal. We come on now, we talk this one where we discuss talk. For site for Ombe, and Ombe then a site for Southwest. Story the interview yesterday for evening again. The way where the bridge it be the check. It is some kind of way. Simit me will go for Ombe, go see that bridge. When we talk, the chase will remain a play. Like that. Ombe na place where it is separate Limbe and Atiko subdivision. This bridge is so it is check. And Congo Sado enter we say yesterday the way where the bridge be the check. it show they say the month it no go finish, where it never collapse. And if this bridge is collapse, no motor no go come up for Limbe, for come for Motengani. Motor no go come up for side for Boya, for go for side for Limbe. Motor no go come up Douala, for go for side for Limbe, because now the only route. And when we talk am, people that the chase with the men at play, see bridge. Now bridge where they be done build them since 1919. Ain't that? It's also there, no maintenance. Now why that way don't crack? And when it cracks, so it is shown as science small time, it could enter inside water. But we remember they say we know the sea. If LTM never show now, when I go see them again for side. Ain't that? One motor they pass on top, the driver he said that the year bridge it is shake. With the social the weight, when we collide with motor inside, people then die. That time we could create commission. Forgot the envelope for the family where they don't lose their family member. That means for Cameroon, money be important past person. When this camion pass so in the film, say go for inside. Caterpillar they pass on top. Okada pass on top. Camion pass on top. Bus it pass on top. Go na so for the very route. And because we waiting for tech maintenance for this thing, for this bridge. And it because we waiting for make another second bridge. How they be make for side for Bonabiri? We don't talk am now. What will happen? We could still go again, go video am, still can show am. So we debate the authority them for side for Southwest. Say me they not pass time only for the talk. Me they pass time too for make maintenance for this bridge. Me no can kill. Me we enter now for side for Mabunji. When you come out Kumba, you pass Mabunji before you go reach for play where they call and say a condo titi. Yes. Mabunji road where don't circulate for social media say they don't taram. Now in that. We don't show them for 2023 so tire. Sing them, they say that music, tire. No man in know the dance. In this way we will add guitar. So that me the real man it goes straight. Look the way for come over side for Ekondo Titi, where they say they so big people them don't come over for that side. But how do they do now for going for that finish? They say they pass now through water for Limbe. Before they go for side for Ekondo Titi. Then they pass for water for go for Mondemba. Then division don't be na the one way the population don't turn a fish where they go to swim for water for to go for their own village. Why we not fit tie this road? We want show them plenty. Then go carry some photo for different country. Send them for social media. Say no, the road they don't tie them. Camera still go again for them for go look up. Go see say they so people them there for inside Poto. People them they suffer for that road. For come for Kumba. And they ask question. Need for take different road for different site. Send them for social media. For life say they don't tie roadway they come up for side for Kondo Titi can't for Kumba. Now they get Naweti. Get for insight Naweti. Why we write for the lie? And I say they don't celebrate the photo for social media. They celebrate them. All side for Cameroon say they so finally they don't tie their route. Time where camera go there, some people them don't share can't reach today with the novel top again. Where the novel top again? And for inside the own day, it go show now say they so they don't sign say they so contractor don't do fine work. Now in that. I say now in that when I see them. When I see how the road for common Mabunji go for Ekodo Titi a day. If you they argue, go for the you yourself, you come back, you call to the house, and then you talk am live, make people hear. Yes, LTM not the lie. LTM the short thing way. I for camera see am, and then mock is sabi for talk am, me hear yourself hear. Another road where in Wawa, now the one where they come up for side for Koseri. For God reach for play where they call them for Marwa. Now so, camion them they suffer for that road. Camion them they suffer for the road. And they say only control where they for the road a past 20. Say you take only 10 meters. Now control. 10 meters control. 10 meters control. And the control you must settle. Camion wey carry heavy cargo, he on price for settle control, it dey different. All the control they go for outside. As some man be don ask and say money for checkpoint them, they go na for outside. When I look at camion don't come, if you work quick, cargo way, it don't carry am, it go heavy for down. Now why that way it go small? Now why that way it go small? Well, people for side for Kosiri, go for marijuana. If not so, they not go succeed for the travel. Yes. Well, Simon don't go with power. You go with power, that camion will remain for that place. When I see him, I say when I see him, they want na Cameroon or na different country. They tell me say na Cameroon. I be chasing sometime Kosiri dey na side for that side for Gabon. They say no Kosiri na for Cameroon. Say they na for northern part for Cameroon. I say na so some road still dey again for side for northern part where it was so. They say yes. I say better and I say me camera go reach for that side. They be suffer. There was one na the control way a plenty. If the road be also we control in order for the road if for fine. When they can't stand for control, take money, use the money now for do what today for fix different thing. Where they get for take the money for fix the very road. But if they do a different thing, we will do one now. We get for the follow now the system for the dance. If with the dance they go left, we go left. If we go right, we go right. You go form your own road? No. Me you go now for side for Widicum. Widicum for side for Northwest Cameroon. Now market this. I say now market this way it don't make plenty years. Where this professor for side for Widicum, they be build a market. They build them with their money up. And they use na country style. Woman they say than for the sell their body. Better than say me they come they sell their plenty for this side and cocoa because people them for Widicum they like turning cocoa plenty. And people them for side for Ambele they like to banana and anyamangoro. So now here where they come by. Fire! I say fire surprise business people them and they be business for market day. When I see the market, and they say there's no population of outside all. Now here where they come by. See them now. That when the fire don't start, picking and come out for inside Sokolo. They come now, they carry water, they lost the fire. Since that they not get firefighters, they get for side for where they come. So that they use now their energy. For take lost the fire. They use a molonga for carry water for lost the fire day. When I ask you when you lost and begin to look out because if you catch your clothes, since our hospital far away. So that they beg a government for country. Semi government a put the eye, see the kind of market where the user. And they say there's some money where they come over the market for inter-council for where they come. If they call the amount, sometimes you feel collapse. Council too for where they come, it remains they say no, they see the market. But in know the market, that time where money to come on for the. Part time they pay. Ticket to 200 francs, they pay. And they say they so one bunch planty, they pay 200 francs before you enter go sell. Whether you will go to buy a planty or they not buy a mo, that means say you don't pay ticket. You bring good for go sell and for market. Ticket now 500 francs. Whether you pay and then you not go sell the good, you don't feel the pay. But when I leave the market for this kind of condition, why? I they ask the mayor, although they say mayor is self, they know see him. They see now only time we council section day. I'm mayor with the different side council, council the different side. Now, for this country, my way get for bring development for some side. It a different side though, and the different side way they. It is see how the mayor for that side they bring development for with the people them. Plenty mayor them for side for Northwest they don't leave council they different side. I go talk so they go type face, but I talk my truth. Live down and live them. Yes. Me will go small, Mr. Smith. Yes. Now, we go she don't quiet. Go back for Santiago Yetin way correspondent from NJANGI House, free boy. He go tell we chapter for road where they come up for Santa, go there for 9,000. 6 company, if you don't sign, say, Kota the road for 2023. Now we do for 2024. How the road a day? Free boy, over to you.
MOKO udena for Santaso. Na Santa matters in this. Na road way Satom don't make them. Bulls make them say they want to drum. All sign na doors. Why ask them whether it is so? The Cameroon day so they go now outside. They don't ever start until 11. See those way there for road, the MOKO. Those way there road, no be small one. I say woman there for this side. You know the road powder again. Because this side all it don't be in a helele. Those days na all side General MOKO. Look the thing, ask them governor say they so that they ever start something. See them, they dig thing in all side, level. Now road this, Santa matters. Now they road this, nothing no day. Nothing no day, General MOKO. I tell you, see those way they road. Motor the pass so you go for a bush before come on back. Those day all side. Now Santa matters in this. As you see so, now Santa matters. As you didn't so, they start rogo level half. See girl they dig gutter on all side. Now in that way they. You see them? Yes. Thank you, General MOKO. Now free boy. They talk on the dot. Messenger for General MOKO where they work under LTM. Thank you.
It happened for side for Santa as when I don't hear iPhone Jangi house. It don't blue talk for that side say this so. Woman them for side for Santa or for my cousin, they know they use powder again. The powder now this dust way when I see them. So the people back say this so minister where the local work for inside country and when a minister where they give work for contractor, say me still go again, go meet up the contractor whether it is so wait till the pass because if it be way they don't follow you say this so they don't tie the road. If LTM it not be passed for that side, sometimes people them they could check say this so the road they be don't tie them. Anyhow it is we on now for see them and then talk them as we see them. We come on now, we go now for side for Baminda town from my 4 from Quen and now inside Baminda 3. Confusion if you for inside town we make them police janam and army them they be come over town. They chase it sometime. Some attack it don't happen again for side from Quen. They won't come out they see now Okada people and way they don't carry coffin for their colleague where they be shoot and we gone so it die they go put them on mortuary. So if it been a day where they will go come out their combi for inside mortuary then turn with them the whole Baminda. I said the whole Baminda it be panic. I said the whole Baminda be panic. Other Okada people understand they see them. And they draw so with peace plan for on top the Okada. Say they so as they don't kill their combi, the next thing where they need them now peace because motto for Cameroon now peace work fatherland alias green red yellow. Say green red yellow it is shown and say peace work fatherland and why disorder is there for inside country. They say they so when you get 10 finger, 2 finger it is hot. Me you know say they so the rest will remain 8 it must the hot too. The head will remain it is hot. Although we pretend say they so the finger them, they know they touch the 8, but it is touch them. So me we try for look inside this matter for northwest and southwest. Bring the solve the problem. Me we solve this problem because the more it is stay, the more inspiration it come. Where it not be normal. Where it not be normal. And this palaver gone. One man he just told one time, just shoot person, and he forget for not say they shoot na a brother. The population for Cameroon don't reduce. Although team for census, he didn't say don't die or it is sick, they don't know again whether a population for Cameroon it didn't how many, and they be there how many don't die, how many don't remain. All man it don't she don't not quiet, it look place. Me we gonna have a site for Donga and Mantum division for site for Mr. J subdivision. They say they saw mommy and papa them, they don't tie face. As student them too, they don't tie face. Say they so they don't tire for commercial morning time, come for school. Come play. Go back for house, go chop. Say they don't tire. Mommy and papa they reverse say they so they pass time for inside bush, for work farm, for pay school for school fees for picking. Me go learn book so that tomorrow he says be minister or mayor, parliamentarian, Joe, and SDO. But if you show say picking they come for school, teacher for teach them no day. They come now, any man the group be uncome with them, they should not remain a commentaire. There is story na story, because teacher not there for teach them. And then with the answer say they so this school when na government, he get them because the name for the school na government bilingual high school for Mr. J. They teach them when I be send them. Who said them there because they not there for class, they not there for work. And they when they pay them. When they pay them, say they teach now for which school. They teach now they are picking them for inside house. And to read the inter we say they so they teach them where they begin for can't teach for this school. They then now they don't open now their classes for inside the house. Where no be normal. If when I open with a classes for inside when I room. And then 1 month they die when I go take salary. Even those where they pay them. When I pay them say they don't work with it. When I pay person we never work hard manage. Teacher them plenty when they want to go teach. When I never recruit them. When I go recruit those where they no want teach hard manage. They say for Cameroon, now so it work. Now inside classroom that when we talk, when I say this, so we sabi talk, and when we talk with proof. None of them that they how many for inside classroom. Who's that teacher day? Now when I look at now for Mr. J, and Mr. J now a whole subdivision, now in that, and this one again, there was one that say this one na government bilingual high school. Mr. J, no teacher, now only one government teacher. He did it. So the community don't decide now say so better they take their picking and where they don't go book and where they don't get work. Me they can't help them. And where they help them so they don't repay them. So with the Ben governor for Cameroon and the minister where they look at all school and for Cameroon, say me put eye for see who be sent now. Let teacher me go teach for government bilingual high school for Mr. J. So that mean no say this so he know they teach. So that mean they not pay. Yes, because you know the pay person where you know the work. When I see them, these people they don't group their own place, they remain a commentaire. This one too, if they will uncome be there is story after they could just go them back for us. Now school they don't go. Tomorrow we begin a blame say this so picking up with the learn book and where that teacher be the course. Another one na general hospital for side from Ndobian. Plenty people don't know say when Ndobian day. Ndobian is then inside Konjok. And Konjok is then inside Nkam. And Kam is then inside littoral day for Cameroon. When I look at general hospital for side from Ndobian, na in that. Inside bush, we don't talk am. Show am for 2023. No, nothing never change. Na in that. And when the show say there's no minister where the local sick people them for inside country, if be building hospital, it send doctor them, make they can't work for the hospital. Doctor them can't work for them for 3 months. They decide for come out, go open the clinic them for side for Bafang. When they work for the clinic, one day they go receive salary, say they work for this general hospital for Ndobian, and we hospital now, person where they the chief doctor na monkey, and then cutting grass, it they on the person where it sweep na the hospital. Meanwhile, Grombip, it they on a get man. When I see hospital where Cameroon government don't come up plenty money for take and build them. Some side it cry, say me government give the hospital. They know the gear, but they don't carry hospital gear for this side from Ndobian because the population they don't cry. Road and hospital government choose now hospital because plenty people then they be fall sick for that side. So when I see now say this so the hospital where they don't give them, no one doctor no did. No one doctor in no day. Yes. So minister will be in charge of sick people them. Me a try way for open the register. Look those way they will get for work for this hospital. Ask them why they know the work again for day. So now the small one will be get them today. Now Simit ko nang min dengi. When I come back, we go enter for inside calling. That time now you the call, not now me again. I don't finish my own talk. Now you get talk now. When you want talk or you want call the program, me you respect yourself, respect the television, respect the program, respect the population where they follow the news, and then you call. Why I talk say when I get for respect all these people that I can't now because say they complain say when I want call when they put volume for TV, it make noise, they know the hear thing where you talk. And we talk where you talk, it be important. Talk where you talk, it be important. Eh? When you talk and then television you talk for your background, man way it follow am, you know you talk where you don't talk again. So it not be normal. Country people them. Yes. So with the salute man we they can say who Mr. Tanko Clinton. Mr. Tanko Clinton we watch the program for site for Limbe. Yes, we did salute to person where they can say Mr. Nkem Ntake. Yes, Mr. Kem Take Jonas. We did for that side for Libya Lem. Now, doctor, he watched the program for that side for Libya Lem. And then we did salute to, we did talk Happy New Year for Fine Gatingo. Yes, Fine Gatingo. We did for that side for Kilometer 10. Fine Gatingo. We now Shufai for that side for Tabiken. We watch the program for your own palace for that side for Kilometers and for Douala. So, Simi, now I want to come back. We'll talk for country people for upside. We get for talk now, and for talk, now you get for choose thing where you don't see them, we find you, and then you talk. Now you get for choose thing where you see them, it worry you, you talk. But you get now only 20 seconds so that me another person a call. With the back, the mayor for side from call council and the parliamentarian for Noni say me they try forgive the shop. The shop them where they don't build and for lasting market, me they give them for rent. Than for liver, me they rotting for nothing. Better with a give them for rent. Me money the inter for council, it will help council for one thing. So when they shop them they way, when I don't be better market for lasting, but now say people they not use the shops. People they still there again for inside shit. So shop them the rotten. That means say the money we when I spend them, when I go do her forget them back. So at the back, Mr. NJANGI, yes, now my brother, Mr. NJANGI from Benin, when I be mayor, we do fine work for that side for from call council. Say me try way. Forgive the market we don't build them, find market for lasting, me give them for rent. It will help people them. First caller, hello? You don't beep na beep. Good morning. Yes, all them they beep na beep. Then at the beep now we credit now you put 100, you feel get 10,000. When I beep waiting. Me when I talk, me when I not talk time with the program don't finish and with the social back any person say this so you feel go for YouTube channel we in NJANGI house. You go for YouTube, you knock NJANGI house, it will come out, and then you try wait for follow we for day, and then try wait for subscribe so that me be member for NJANGI house. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning. If you feel respect yourself, you off the volume for your TV or you come out for that place before you talk.
No, I don't come out for it.
Yes, you are on them now. You recover which place, countryman?
We are some boy from Campbell, where the people some they call Jaka.
Ha! That one name for what's that now?
We are from Campbell, the people some for Yaoundé.
Okay. What do you get for 10 week countryman?
I think you know the big road, the go sponsor some people that have they don't want to give them money.
Ah. Okay. Now the refuse the road that was that.
So the road where they go for the things are for green where they go for side for
The man no knows how we road the refuse the road go. Simit put with that thing for Ombe, that road for Ombe, that bridge, me with the Siam. Yes. That man, you don't know the road where they fix him, but he don't get the. Yes, he don't talk. He don't talk fine. Hello? 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 Good morning. 650608498. Where till you get for talk? Me we take another person again. Hello? All them that the beep na beep on how man no sabi. We salute all man for side for Limbe. We salute all man for Ekona. We salute those who did for side for Moyoka. We salute all man for that side for Yoke. We greet all man for side for Malende. We not forget those from Munya and those where they did for my 14. We salute to Big Mommy for my 14. Hello?
MOKO, good morning.
Good morning.
And thanks for Daniel for Boya.
Yes, Daniel, how?
No, for the child, MOKO.
Okay. What do you know for doctor?
MOKO, if you go government travel to priority with individual, they call it for the road they suffer because people they get money when they help they walk their road, they know they suffer. So, see the kind of road they show, so people don't walk on the house. They only get tax every day, tax only tax every day. But they need to use that tax back money for doing anything. Somebody even keep priority for them, even money for them, whatever they help them support them, walk their road for them, my brother. I'm on condition that.
Yes, half of Nigeria, any man if it a road where they go for a village. Yes, if they be making so sometimes if for help plenty people them for inside a country. We the salute man where they call say Mr. Shea Godwin, alias Colonel. Shea Godwin alias Colonel, he did for that side phone call Market Square. Hello?
Yeah, hello, General MOKO.
Good morning. Yes, Mr. Pastongala Edwin. How for that side?
No, fine, Daddy.
Yes, what you got for tell me, Mr. Pastor?
Yes, I want to talk, say this issue for roots, like that one we show and for Ome. So, you don't sweep the country very well, but the people with the day on top, they know they work, no nothing. Because despite the fact that you don't show that one for Ome, even not.
Hello? Well, the pastor don't go now. He did the same connection, the Hamburg. Yes. Pastor, you go come back again, eh? Yes. You will come back so that me will see whether it is so wait till it happen. Yes, Pastor come back. Me will see that route for Mabonji. Yes, that bad route for Mabonji, and then we see plenty of people in the vex because the team don't come up for social media. Say this so they wrote they don't tell them. They don't tell them. They don't tell them. We don't see them. Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Come out for corner noise. Where? Man go just carry the head so they know the respecting way that they talk. We say you want to call this program, you off the volume for your TV. Man, you go sit down for corner your girlfriend. You talk, I know this man. This man is my brother. They wonder when the one get talk for you, it make a different thing. Good morning, countryman.
Yeah, good morning, General MOKO.
How you doing, countryman?
No, it is fine.
Now when I get country, you're on them now. Who you come for outside?
I dey go for Murphy.
Yes, you're on them now. Wait.
My own in a dog.
Yes, wait till you go for talk.
Yes, I want to know about a market for Widikum.
Yes, market for Widikum.
Yeah, that market for Widikum is also make cancel for Widikum. Money over enter that Widikum market, then it's away for pizza market, so that made up people they manage their life.
But now, people them be talk say this so money they come out plenty for inside this market and say na council no one be now. You yourself, wait till you figure them the advice for council. Countryman.
Yeah, with the breakers in a text they travel for peace at that market, for help the poor people they manage their own life for that market.
Thank you. Yes. When you come market in this me the bill me they fine because money they enter plenty. So we could try way to for contact the mayor me tell we why the market is still this kind of way. Yes. Because the mayor then get for bring development for inside the outside no. Yes, me will take this countryman. Yes, countryman. Yeah, how you doing now?
Yeah, they fine. I'm going to pay the call from the Japan.
Now, come Ferdinand.
I'm going to pay now.
You the call outside?
From Jotin.
You okay for Jotin?
Yeah, from USSF.
Okay. So, what you got for tell me for that side for Jotin?
I did talk about notes about that bridge, so the Cameroon day now, so they waited. The other way now, one person don't make some kind of accident or happen. What people got that before they remember and say they were fishing from.
Yes.
So and for side day, thing that the worst the go now go.
Okay, for side for Jotin, thing that the worst now how?
Thing that the worst road turn up in a day. When you wait for come on in a day.
Okay, we are never come out because of waiting.
Okay, they don't block no. You don't go for bumpy step before you enter bumpy in a wall.
Well, when I Asha. Yes. They be talk say me winner. Yes. They be talk say me when I try way for video the road send and for we. Since when I the one height when I wrote now who go can fix them now. So now community go work, get for do work. Hello?
Yeah, hello. Napa Songala, don't come back.
Yes.
Yes, I don't come back. We talk about that road for only.
Yes.
I said, despite the fact say you don't sweep Sute Shwam as you show, and sometime by this time next year that road could still be for day. I don't know what we will lead them for the country that they do. They don't get conscience at all. They don't get conscience.
No,
they just work like for themselves. They just work like for themselves. Look like that one from Mapunji.
Yeah.
Now road that way they go with them, man. Now place that way money they come out. But people they suffer every day. After they don't do so, they snap and say they don't fix them. Now only God can help me for the country. The country don't bad.
Because
now only for pray, Papa. Now only for pray. If God not be here, come down for the country, Cameroon, and not go.
Anyhow, God for they come. Yes, God for they come. Be man not fear. Right, you know. Yes, all things work out. When I say we get for the pray, because I don't tell when I say Satan the worker for inside Cameroon. We na blue clothes. I don't put red mop. You get na red mop. Let's say na woman. When I don't like for a year, but when I go see him one day, because we be Thomas, we get for see before we believe. 650-608498. Yes, number for calling now 650-608498. Me man not call through WhatsApp because it could take we time. Yes, when you call through WhatsApp, it could lost we time so they yes. So Monday for it. Hello, countryman. Hello? Hello? Okay. Hello?
Hello?
Good morning, countryman.
Yes, I'm teachers. I'm calling from Germany.
Okay, you come from Germany.
I'm listening to your program on the LTM TV.
Yes. What you got to tell me for Germany?
Well, I'll just be so happy. I'd watch your program right now as we speak. I follow up all the way to the show. We are so impressed. And my wife, we are watching you right now, live. Really, because this kind of thing, like the road where the show are right now, so there is nobody people believe that kind of road still exist in a country like Cameroon. But it go on. I just want to praise you. I just want to be happy with the program and wish you say you continue like this to give you this kind of information.
Thank you, countryman.
Yeah, and then we do come market too as well, where you don't show we all that one the way you don't born and wait till the mayor yourself you talk. Now my question this I want for ask. You go right for day, you know see person like mayor and even for the hospital where doctor don't live and you don't grow bush. No man, they don't perform their own clinic, but that one is normal in Cameroon. The doctor, all doctors they get clinic right now, private clinic. I don't know which side would they head to.
I say, countryman, we never side for Germany. When I be picking them for Cameroon, where would I sit down for side for Germany? When you see hospital for inside bush and where the doctor and where they be post them for day, they don't go run their work. They open their private clinic that they work. No man, not they talk when on one end they go take salary. It be normal for now.
Exactly.
Teacher, where
you know if you hear that kind of thing for here. You know if you hear that kind of story for here. How is that? Even a doctor to own a private clinic is not even allowed. You either own a clinic or you are a doctor in the hospital.
Okay. So what do you propose? Me government do with those where they don't post them for the hospital and the school, where they know they go for the teacher they need to go for teach picking them, but they receive salary. Doctor them they need to go for treat people them they don't live hospital inside bush, but they receive salary. What do you feel proposal for government for Cameroon?
Countryman, you be mentioned until I was still remind you, say this so you all man get 10 finger. When two the hurt you, that the whole of your body the hurt you. That thing when you talk like that, it dey everywhere. So long as this trouble for Southern Cameroon it dey on the go on, that thing will stop. Now when this problem stop before we start talk about ending that matter. Because teachers they do the same, doctors they do the same, other offices they do the same. They go work but they take money.
Yes.
So to solve to end that problem, you first and foremost show those two fingers the way they're sick. Before you begin thinking if it end this problem. Otherwise, the people then get an excuse for say this so I know if you risk my life and we all would see as in a risk. We know what you have with people the way they go work or where they go school or where they go even for hospital. Nobody what government do. Sometimes government gives small 50,000 they can compensate the family. As to be earlier talk, say this will be like we value money, say pass even life. That is exactly what is going on in that country.
Thank you, countryman. Tomorrow will be another day. Salute all the Cameroon community where they did for that side for Germany.
Thank you so much, thank you so much, countryman. You hear my wife, they greet you as well.
Anyway, then honor for LTM, you see I'm all and then talk your own thing to we build the nation. Yes, we did we honor for Binam with the show we're watching, they fix them, and then tomorrow all man it is mine. So we clean the country now clean them because we use na broom. What you got for talk now where you got for talk no call the program where it don't finish. Yes. So me we take this countryman again. Hello? Hello? Yes, it don't go. We salute all man for side for a time. We salute all man for a take with a great all man for that side for a bunji. We salute all man for side for Tombe. We salute those who are there for my 20. We salute those who are there for side for Nyasoso. And for side for Bangem, we not forget those who are there for that side for Maori. Hello?
Hello? Hello?
Good morning, Madam First Lady, for the program. Your name and the side where you call.
Good morning. My name is Sonita. I'm from back in Chile.
Back in Chile, then for side for side.
Yes,
yes, for Akweto. Yes. But the damage show say now for that side for Ako, no be so?
Ako, no, Akweto.
Okay, Akweto now for the go after Binju, you go down for side for me, say, yeah, no be so?
Yes, yes.
What you got for talk with the year now for that side?
I want to talk about General MOKO.
Yeah, but they don't start the feast when I road there.
I talk particularly even that road with the go back in China. That road don't mean less on 21. Not even know some motor go there again.
So when they apply for which for side from Kame or now?
No, but come on, go back in China. First time we pay 500, but now we pay at 25.
So and then horse they carry when on Okada.
Now Okada, with the Okada they carry yourself plenty. You work on our foot
because you get plenty taco too.
Even you not get taco, you go work our food because when you reach for some place, you know if you don't. You say you hard, you know if you don't.
Okay, so thing where we want and I say me when I try for video with the road, you send them and don't so that me will show them. You see them no?
Okay, I get them when I put connection, I'll send them for you.
Thank you plenty. Now this kind of people that we will like them for Cameroon because we want the nation. Hello? Hello?
Hello, General MOKO.
Come over inside noise for respect yourself and then for respect your family. Your name and the side with the courser.
Yes, I will Mr. M is from Antesimbok.
For Antesimbok, talk with power or you know what chop?
No, I want chop to the MOKO.
Yes, talk with power now. Talk with man picking. What you got for 20 seconds?
Yes, I want to talk about that road for Limbe. That road for Limbe. That road, I remember the last time that road became a serious accident.
Yes.
Yes, so government they will find a way to fix that road. Because that population they will use that road. Then I want to talk about that market for that village showing born.
Yes.
Yes, they council they must see how we fix the road because the road the market says to bring revenue for our council and it will help the population plenty. Thank you.
Thank you. So now this countryman, it don't end the program. Yes, this countryman, you don't talk, better talk. If you be there for corner, plenty people and they don't talk, better talk today. If they be there here, we forgive them half color and then give them one glass cup matango. So, Mr. Smith, the program don't finish. Yes, we send message now and then we come out. So we thank any person where they support the program for your own way because plenty way they for support the program. Some people and they will support the program now with their panable. Some people and they will support them now with a video for the on-site or side where they don't pass. And then some people and they will they support with the advice. And then some people and they will themselves they support for another way. We sabi them. So anyhow we the salute to yes. So another person yes. We just write with message. Me we salute it before we come out and submit. Yes, some countryman we now title holder. He the salute we. So we could salute it before we go. Part job 2 he says for side for a corner a talk say so this palaver he get for finish. Yes, say get for finish before all development could work out for inside country. So with the salute and with the talk Happy New Year for His Excellency. No, yes, His Excellency Atanganji Paul and then His Excellency Full Callistus Gentle, and we talk to Happy New Year for His Royal Highness Fon Jeffo Maurice II, when a fund for Chup Village, and now president for Dumafo, that means say president for Donga Amantum Force Union for inside Cameroon, and where they could get their first anniversary, which will happen for April 2024, and it could then inside that side from Kambe. So they invite all they fund them, they make training, because more time it not go easy. Anyhow, they now all that will get time. When you have video something for send for today, man, now WhatsApp number that. When I look WhatsApp number, hold your Android phone na this size. When I look my hand, look sideways phone day. Hold on, so you video them, you send them for we. When we want show them, it could be fine. But if you hold on so, we no feel show them, because camera no dey na so. Any camera where it is so na camera for people the way they don't die. They come out different side. So if you see some man for some place, he hold your phone for the make video, so you know say na person where he don't die, or small time go die. So he don't start to prepare your route. But the person where still alive and where go stay for long, he camera day on a so, and he television where he has na flat screen. So therefore use your phone so for video anything, send them for Tureman, make Tureman a blue arm for country people. So hold your phone so you make video, and then you send them for we, tell we, wait till it don't happen. So with the time, person where they come and say Abubakar Simit Abubakar, now he be the match all the button them before when I get them for offside, and now he make them. And then when they get we for Facebook, and then forget we for Facebook for anything, you just go for Facebook, and then you knock General MOKO NJANGI House LTM, you go get we, and then for YouTube now only NJANGI House, you get anything where they happen. Where you want get them, try wait for subscribe so that me you be member. And with the time marginally when I say be I only the way they make and say meet the LTM continue to go only the climb now before we turn to the general director where they call and Julie Come when a general director for LTM, where it try way for say me a push and for before with it glad to with the tongue man where they can say Amboise, Mr. Amboise Awono, where they for site for Cote d'Ivoire where it go live for report about African Nation Cup for site for Cote d'Ivoire where when I see them for LTM for sport program. Anyway, there. Tomorrow, it could be another day. They call me General MOKO, the only general for Cameroon, where it work out broom for sip dirty for Cameroon, and for water, me water, a carry and go, so that me Cameroon the clean, me it not the smell. If you get your country, you like the country, make and say me the clean. December, if you buy clothes, you know the wash them, you know if you go for any gando. We come meet up tomorrow, same time, with different images. We don't go. Bye-bye.